सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 151, verse 69. विज्ञानमात्मेति परे आहुक्षणिकवादिनः यतो विज्ञानमूलत्वम् मनसो गम्यते स्फुटम्. We are seeing the different systems of philosophies considering the Atma according to their own understanding. One philosopher considered Atma Deha alone, the body alone is Atma. Charvaka philosopher. Another philosopher, Indriyatmavadi. Another type of Charvaka takes sense organs are alone Atma. Another philosopher takes Prana is Atma, known as Hiranya Garbhaha, Pranatmavadis. Another philosopher comes, mind alone is Atma, because Prana is not the Bhokta. Pranatmavadi says Prana continues when sense organs are not functioning. Therefore, Prana is Atma, sense organs are not Atma. Manatmavadi says Prana continues in the Nidra Samaye, but it is not a Bhokta. It is not an enjoyer. Therefore, Prana cannot be the Atma. Mind alone is the enjoyer. Therefore, mind alone is the Atma. Another philosopher comes, Kshanika Vijnanavadi. In the 69th sloka, Vidyaranya introducing that philosopher who is telling mind is not the Atma. Vijnanam, that is buddhi, alone is Atma. Why all these errors or misconceptions happen? We have to see the background. Where they are committing mistake, we have to diagnose. Vidyaranya taking one approach here. There are two approaches how to negate the Purvapakshi. Other systems, to negate, you can approach them in two ways. How? First I'll give the example, then you can understand. While we are playing caroms, with the striker, you strike the coin straight away. Have you played caroms? Sometimes we strike the coin straight away into the hole. Sometimes by hitting the one coin, we are hitting the other coin. Not only one coin, sometimes two. If I hit this coin goes and hit that coin go and hit that coin. Then it goes into the hole. Nice example. எனக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கு. Okay, I hope you also like it. Here first approach is directly refuting one philosopher straight away. Vedantin directly refutes Dehatmavadi straight away. One approach. Vedantin can straight away refute Indriyatmavadi. Vedantin can straight away refute Manatmavadi, Pranatmavadi, Vijnanatmavadi. This is one method. Sometimes we can take the second approach also by refuting. Each one is refuting others. When they are tairayam na virudhyate, parasparam virudhyante, in Mandukya Karika, Gaudapada Charya says, parasparam virudhyante, they refute each other. Therefore, I need not refute them. I can sit and watch the game. They refute each other. The last one, if I refute, is enough. The last one, Prathama Mallam Nyaya. If I refute this person, it is enough. Other persons are refuted by the later one. The previous one is refuted by the later one. That one is refuted by the later one. So therefore my job is only I can strengthen myself. I can charge myself until they fight each other. Let it come, let me see later. In countries fight also happens the same thing. So here Shankaracharya's Vidyaranya's approach is Prathama Mallan Nyaya, striking one, it goes all the way, refutes others. They are refuting each other. Like that, he is approaching here. So he has not refuted Indriyatmavadi, Manatmavadi, Pranatmavadi, Dehatmavadi. They refuted each other. Now Vijnanatmavadi refuting Manatmavadi. So the approach you have understood now. Now what is the diagnosis we have to do? When you see a rope as a snake, there are two amshas. When you look at the rope, you are looking at the rope as snake, not as rope. There are two amshas. When you look at the rope also as rope, there are two amsha. Two parts are there in your understanding. That two amshas are idam amsha, that is idam, this is one part. A rope is second part. If I see rope as rope, it's sleeping, holidays lo, my snake is sleeping. Rope and don't take it as snake. Here when you see the rope, this is one amsha, first part. Second part is what? Rope. A rope. This is one part. A rope is second part. When you have got the knowledge, this is a rope, there are two amsha. This is and a rope amsha. This is a samanya amsha. This is a samanya amsha. A rope is a vishesha amsya, a specific factor, vishesha amsya. Specifically you are knowing this is a rope. This is not a flower, this is not a clip, this is not anything, this is a rope. So, this is and a rope, two parts are there. This is pramagnanam, this is right knowledge. But if there is a manda andhakara, twilight, semi-light or semi-darkness, not full light. If there is full light, you see rope as rope. If it is full darkness, you don't see anything, no problem. But in semi-darkness, you see the rope as a snake. That is called Brahmagnanam. Brahmagnanam, a knowledge which is not a right knowledge but a wrong knowledge, error. It is also a knowledge. Snake knowledge is there, but it is not right knowledge, it is a Brahmagnanam, delusion. So this is, there is no change. In first part, here only you have to understand. When I see this is, when it has having curves, this is, there is something, but I do not know it is, the specific part is not clear. What is the specific part? Rope. And the Rajju Amsha appears as Sarpa Amsha. And the second part only I have committed mistake. This is Jnanam Samanya Jnanam Asti Parantu Rajjuhu iti Jnanam Nasti. Sarpaha iti Jnanam Agatam. Therefore, that Visesha Amshe Bhrantihi Asti. Because of that, I want to run away. I am shouting, trying to fight. All these are happening when I miss the second part, specific knowledge. This is a general knowledge. Samanya Amshe, general knowledge. Specific Amsha means what? Visesha Jnanam. Samanya Jnanam, Vishesha Jnanam. There is, this is Samanya Jnanam. A rope is Prama Satya Vishesha Jnanam, right knowledge, but I see a snake on that. So Brahma Jnanam, specific knowledge has converted into a wrong knowledge. That is called Brahma Jnanam. Now come to Darshtanta. When you say I am, there is Kutastha Chaitanyam plus Ahankara. Kutastha Chaitanyam, I am is Samanya Chaitanyam. I am. Jivatma or I am, the Jivatma, the individual, when I take myself, how I am looking at myself, I am there is Samanya Jnanam, every one of us having. I am is Samanya Jnana. What I am is the specific knowledge. That we are committing mistake. Kutastha Chaitanyam plus Abhasa Chaitanyam. We are taking Abhasa Chaitanyam as myself. We are missing the Kutastha Chaitanyam. I am is Samanyamsha. Every one of us say I am, I am, I am. There is no doubt in that. There is no sandeha. Samanya jnane jnanam asti. Samyak jnanam asti samanya jnane. General knowledge. But what I am I Kutastha Chaitanyam Satya Atma or Anrata Chidabhasa Chaitanyam reflected consciousness? Ahankara. Am I Ahankara or am I Kutastha Chaitanyam? Regarding this specific knowledge, I am Satchidanandam Brahma is the Pramajnanam. I am Satchidanandam Brahma is the Pramajnanam, right knowledge. I am Amsha is general Samanya Jnanam. Vishesha Jnanam is what? Kutastha Chaitanyam. I am Kutastha Chaitanyam Vishesha Jnanam. In example, this is correct. You can compare. There Samanya Amsha, this is. Vishesha Amsha, exact Vishesha Amsha, what in example? Rope. What is the mistake you have done? Snake. Similarly here Samanya Amsha is I am Jivatma. This Jivatma is Paramatma if you say it is right knowledge. Paramatma means Kutastha Chaitanyam I am. I should say. But nobody is telling I am Kutastha Chaitanyam. Kutastha Chaitanyam is the Vishesha Amsha. If I say I am Kutastha Chaitanyam Sakshi, that is Vishesha Jnanam, right knowledge. By mistaking myself, I am not Kutastha Chaitanyam, I do not know because of ignorance. Because of what you are seeing snake there. In example, you are seeing snake upon the rope because of what reason? Dim light or semi-darkness. Here what is the mistake? Atma Ajnanam, Kutastha Ajnanam, Anadi, Avidya, Vasanaya, Avidya, Anadi. From Janma Janmas we are carrying. And we are carrying. You know. When you are going to drop, at least Panchadashi class lo, if you don't drop, where you can drop that? If you miss this opportunity, where can you drop this? What has to be dropped? I am Ahankara, the body-mind complex. I am mother, I am brother, I am father. This Anrata Amsha, which belongs to body, mind, complex, sense organs, prana, buddhi, whole package. I am taking as myself. This is called Brahma Jnanam. With regard to me, I have Brahma Jnanam, not Prama Jnanam. Naan irukken, ellarku theriyum. Samanya Jnane, samshayaha nasti. Parantu, Vishesha Jnane, aham Kutasthaha va, Chidabhasa, Madhye, Kutasthaha Satyam, Chidabhasa Anrutam. Reflected consciousness, Pratibimba Chaitanyam, is Mithya, which belongs to the body, mind, complex ego, is Mithya. But we are taking it as real. That is the mistake we are committing. Who are all these people? Those who have missed the Vishesha Amsha, that is Kutastha Chaitanyam. Because of missing Kutastha Chaitanyam, that is Vishesha Amsha or Samanya Amsha? Vishesha Amsha. Samanya Amsha ellarku theriyum. Naan irukken, eppadi irukken naan dehama da irukken na. Pochi. Sense organs, we are taking, when you look at the mirror, you take this is real. Mind is real. Mana eva manushyanam karanam bandha mokshayoho. He is giving definition also. This person comes, another misconception. Who? Vijnanatmavad. Now you got the diagnosis. How picture? How you have to diagnose? Samanyamsha, Visheshamsha. Mistake is happening in Vishesha Amsha. Error is happening in Vishesha Amsha. What is the right Vishesha Amsha? Kutastha Chaitanyam. What is wrong Vishesha Amsha? You have superimposed husbandhood, wifehood, fatherhood, brotherhood, mother-in-lawhood, father-in-lawhood. You have superimposed upon you the Kutastha and taking Anrita temporary in the hood. It's like a hood, like a palm hood madri. That keeps you always limited. That keeps you always insecurity. That keeps you always unhappy. Innumo kavala. Enge? Kutastha Chaitanyallona Abhasa Chaitanyamana. Abhasa Chaitanyam. Ye, edukkaga idu nadakkuradhu? Idu nadakkamal irukalame. Why this error is happening? Simple. Very, very simple answer. You are identifying with body. You are having attachment with this mind, body, sense organs. Ahankara, mamakara. Ahankara and mamakara. This is called mamakara. You just hold on to them. My son, my daughter. This is wrong already. This is mamakara extension. Ajnana extension. ஒரு ரோட்டுக்கு எக்ஸ்டென்ஷன் பேர் இருக்கும் இல்லையா? இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி போகலாம்னு அர்த்தம். இந்த ரோடு எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் ஆயின்னு இருக்கேன். அது மாதிரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அஜ்ஞானம் ஸ்டார்ட்ஸ் ஹியர். ஐ ஆம் கூட்டஸ்த சைத்தன்யம். ஐ ஹவ் மிஸ்ட். ஐ ஹவ் டேக்கன் மை செல்ஃப் ஆஸ் ஆபாச சைத்தன்யம், பிரதிபிம்ப சைத்தன்யம். தட் இஸ் ஸ்தூல சரீரம், சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம், காரண சரீரம். ஐ ஹவ் டேக்கன் மை செல்ஃப். தென் ஐ எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் திஸ் மமகாரா. Then sorrow also extends. Where from sorrow comes? Tell me now. Ivala chart prepare panni vechirukke. That's why sorrow is coming and sitting on that carpet nicely. As long as you identify with your body-mind complex, you cannot escape sorrow. Therefore, drop your identity with the body-mind, which is anrutam, mithya. If you do not understand this, you can never get aham brahmasmi jnanam. This has to be assimilated. This has to be assimilated more and more. Mithyatva nischayameva aham brahmasmi jnanam. Don't think aham brahmasmi jnanam eppo varum. The moment you falsify this body-mind complex, the same moment aham brahmasmi jnanam vandudum. There is no second entry aham brahmasmi jnanam to come. Mithyatva nischyaha eva brahma jnanam. There is no brahma jnanam separate. That is why more than claiming I am Brahman, the most important job to be done is Jagat Mithya. Body, mind is included in Jagat. Therefore, body, mind is also Mithya. That is the toughest task in Vedanta Dindima, the author says. All Upanishads also says. Start doing Mithyatva Nischayam first. Don't struggle to say Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi. You can never say, I will tell you. Look into the shloka now. Vijnanam Atma iti pare ahuhu. Here, ahuhu, I told you, bru dhatu, aha, ahatuhu, ahuhu. It is in plural. Therefore, pare, paraha, parau, pare. If you take aha, paraha, aha. Singular. If you take plural, pare. Ekara is silent there because of sandhi rule. Vijnanam Atma iti. Buddhi, Vijnana means Buddhi is Atma. Some people claim that Vijnanam, the Vijnanam Atma, they say, who are they? Kshanikavadinaha. They are the argumentators. Vadinaha means they argue. What? The momentary consciousness. Kshanikavadinaha. That Vijnanam huchi kshanikam. Momentary Vijnanam. Vijnanam means consciousness. Momentary. Kshanika Vijnanam means momentary consciousness. Momentary consciousness is Atma, they say, not mind. They are refuting the Mana Atmavadi. They are refuting the Mana Atmavadi. Yataha, because Vijnana Moolatvam Manasaha. Manasaha, Vijnana Moolatvam. Vijnanam, Kshanika Vijnanam, or momentary consciousness alone is the cause. Moolatvam means cause. Cause for what? Manasaha, of this mind. Once Vijnanam is the cause, mind must be what? Karyam, products. Mind is Karyam. Manasaha Vijnana Moolatvam Gamyate Sputam. Clearly we know. Here we should not take Nischayatmika. Next question comes. He is not elaborating in this shloka. Just he is giving. Mind is not Atma. Vijnanam alone is Atma. Why? Vijnanam is the cause for this mind. Therefore, cause must be the Moolam. Moolam must be the Atma. Its Karyam cannot be the Atma. What is the Atma of the golden chain? Gold. Atma is that without which that thing cannot exist is called Atma. Apnoti sarvam. What is the Atma of this pot? Satchidanandam Brahma, don't say. Okay. Now for present answer, time being answer is clay. Why? Clay alone is pervading the entire pot. Clay alone is pervading the entire pot. Therefore clay is the Atma. What do you mean by Atma there? Without clay, pot cannot exist. Therefore clay is the Atma. It is source. Without gold, chain cannot exist. Therefore, gold is the Atma of the chain. Like that. Without intellect, that is Vijnanam, momentary consciousness, that Buddhi, without that, mind cannot exist. Therefore, mind is Karyam, Buddhi is the Karanam, Moolatvam. Gamyate. Gatyarthaka dhatunam jnanarthakatvat. Gamyate means gam gacchati. Gam means jnayate. Known. It is known. It is sputam. It is very clear. Next question may arise. Buddhi or Vijnanam and mind both belong to Antakaranam. Tattva Bodha, I have not forgotten. Antakaranam. Manasu, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankara put together Antakaranam. How can you say Vijnanam is the cause for the mind? All of them are belong to Antakaranam, one unit. In one unit Antakaranam, just given names Manasu, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankara. Now you are telling mind is the effect, Buddhi is the cause. How can you say so? In the doubts, Purvapakshis, they ask like this. Now you are getting the point? How can you say so? Don't take like this. Here Buddhi means don't take Nischayatmika Buddhi, Samshayatmika Manaha. And the interpretation pannadu. Go to Koshas now. You have to go to Kosha. Anyontara Atma Manomayaha. Anyontara Atma Vijnanamayaha. Tasmadva etasmad manomayat. Anyontara Atma Vijnanamayaha. This is the way you have to approach here. Not Tattva Bodha. Don't interpret that meaning here. This Panchakosha's presentation you have to take. Vijnanam yajnam tanute karmani tanutepi cha. Vijnanam yajnam tanute. This Jivatma, who is the Vijnanam, Atma, momentary consciousness, yajnam tanute, spreading all yajnas, performing yajnas, so many things. Karmani tanutepi cha. All karmas followed by whom? Vijnanam. This yajna panda and yajna panda, if you do this Jyotishtoma yaga, you will go there. If you do this yaga, you get this, that and all. Who is knowing? Vijnanam. Vijnana Atma. Therefore, Vijnanam alone. It is very clear. Next shloka, he is emphasizing how it is different from the mind. Vijnanam and mind, how they are different. Very beautiful presentation. Aham vrittiridam vrittihi ityantah karanam dvidha vijnanam syadaham vrittihi idam vrittirmano bhavet. Antahkaranam dvidha. I remember Tattvabodha, he is telling, Antahkaranam alone is Manasu, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankara, I know that. But Antahkaranam dvidha, it is of two types. Two parts are there, bifurcation. In that one Antahkaranam, there are two bifurcations. Dvidha, two-fold Antahkaranam. What are they? Number one, Aham Vrittihi. Vritti means thought. Aham means I. Aham Vritti means I thought. In this one Antahkaranam, two Vrittis are coming. Aham Vritti, Idam Vritti. Aham Vritti Rhythm is there. Rhythm, not rhythm. Okay. Aham Vrittihi Visarga. Then Idam Vrittihi. Idam Vrittihi means this thought. Aham Vritti, this thought. So this thought and I thought. Two are there in Antahkaranam. I thought and this thought. Okay. Aham Vritti, I thought. Idam Vritti, this thought. Vritti means thought. Idam Vritti. Antahkaranam dvida. Now ready? This is the way you have to understand. Vijnanam syat aham vrittihi idam vrittihi manaha bhavet. I thought belongs to Vijnanam. Idam vritti belongs to, this thought belongs to the mind. Kartratma, Karanatma. In Vedantic language we put it as Kartatma. I thought is the Kartatma. Mind is Karanatma. It is a Karanam. This thought. Therefore, Aham Vritti, Idam Vritti. I thought and this thought. There are two thoughts are there. This I thought belongs to Vijnanam or Kshanika Vijnanam or momentary consciousness, I thought, and this is Idam Vritti, this thought. This thought also comes in Antahkaranam. In Antahkaranam, rendu thought verade. I thought and this thought. One Antahkaranam. One Antahkaranam, I thought and this thought. I thought belongs to Vijnanam, Vijnanamaya Kosha. Idam thought, this thought belongs to Manomaya Kosha. Difference is there. How can you say both are? Therefore I say Moolatvam. Who Vijnanamayam is the Moolam for Manomaya. For this thought, I thought is the cause, this thought is the effect. I thought irundada, this thought will come. Next, further he is explaining. Aham pratyayam bijatvam idam vritteriti sphutam aviditva swapmatmanam bahye vetti na tu kvachit bahyam, not bahye, bahyam. Idam vrittehe aham pratyaya bijatvam sputam. Pretty anvayam. Idam vrittehe, of this thought, what is the bijam? Root. Aham vrittihi. Bijatvam. Aham pratyaya means vritti, thought. In the previous sloka he said vritti, now he says pratyaya. Pratyaya also vritti, vritti anna vrittida. Thought. Vritti also thought, pratyaya also thought. Don't get confused. Ange vritti sonnar, inga pratyaya sonnar. Okay? Aham pratyaya bijatvam idam vrittehe sputam. Eppadi purinjikkiradhu? Simple. I thought, when it comes only, this thought will come. I am, that thought should come first. Then this is clip. Without I, can you talk about this clip, this flower, he, she? Without the first person, you cannot talk about second and third person. Pradhama Uttama Purusha. I am the Uttama Purusha, Purushottama. Without this Purushottama, Uttama Purusha, Aham, where is the question of dialogue, interaction about he, she, it? This, that, he, she, it, all I can talk when I am there first. Without I am, can I talk about this and that? First I thought should come. நான் Tamilian, நான் wife. What is? She is my husband, he is my husband, she is my wife, this is my house, this is my pet dog, this is my car, that is my house, that, this, he, she. When you talk, after I vandadhukku appuram thane, without that can you talk? நான் இல்லை, பட் எனக்கு எல்லாமே தெரியறதுன்னு. I thought இல்லாமல் ஏதாவது தெரியுமா உலகத்தில்? Therefore, everything is, I am knowing, this is a flower, she is a woman, he is a man, this is a light, this, he, she. To talk, it presupposes what? I. Without I, there is no second person, there is no third person. Second person in you, third person in he. This, that, this is, that is. How can you talk? To talk about that, you have to be there. That is why, who is a bijam? I am. Therefore, you are important, your son is important. Sun is sun as long as you are there. Without you, where is sun? Not that sun, your son. Only that sun also. Okay, that Surya Bhagavan also. That sun, Surya, that sun. How? Without me, who will talk about that sun? Either your son or that sun. Without you, a simple logic. Now, namak Buddhist correct irukkrama idu thondradhu illaya. The I thought is called Atma, momentary consciousness. Okay, look into the sloka. Aham pratyaya bijatvam idam vrittehe. Now you are able to get it? Aham pratyaya, I thought, bijatvam, it has got a root. Bijatvam means what? It is the cause, it is the root, it is the base. Bijatvam of what? Idam vrittehe. For that, this thought, this thought is coming, and this thought, that thought, he thought, she thought. See, this, he, she, all we call it as this or that person, this lady. If it is far, that. If it is near, this. Either this or that. When you talk about second and third person, without the first person, who will talk about second and third person? So grammar lo who is important? First person is important. That's why first person. In Sanskrit lo Uttama Purusha. Uttama Purusha. Avalella Madhyama. The grammar is Sanskritanlo confusion. Pradhama anna Pradhama manilla ange. Okay. Don't get gadbada. Okay. Uttama Purusha. So Aviditva Swam Atmanam Bahye Kvachitu na Vetti. Atmanam means here not Sachidananda Atma. Without knowing oneself, I thought நான் இருக்கேன் அனு தெரியாமல். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நான் அனு தெரியணும் இல்லையோ, அந்த ஐ தாட் வரணும் இல்லை, நான் இருக்கேன், அந்த அகம் விருத்தி வரணும். Now where are you? You are in the hall. Which hall? Mylapore hall. In the hall இருக்கு. And the I am thought should come. That I am, that Atmanam, Swam Atmanam, and the I thought illamal. Aviditva, without knowing this I thought, without the arrival of this I thought, without the presence of this I thought, without the existence of this I thought, Aviditva Swam Atmanam, Bahye Kvachit na Vetti. External, Bahya means external. Kvachit, anything, any blessed thing, na Vetti. He cannot or she cannot know. This clip is there, flower is there. How do you know? I don't know. How do I know? You say that? I am asking, do you know the clip? Yes, I know. Do you know this flower? Yes, I know. How do you know? I know because I know I am here. That's what I know. You don't say, I don't know. How do I know? I don't say, I don't know. How do I know? Hey, to know that, first you should know you are. You are. Because I am here, I am seeing that, therefore I know. That's why. Aviditva swam atmanam, நான் இருக்கேன்னு எனக்கு தெரியாமல் வேறான பொருள் நான் தெரிஞ்சுக்க முடியுமா? முடியாது. Next shloka, we'll read 72. Kshane kshane janmanashau aham vrittirmitau yataha vijnanam kshanikam tena स्वप्रकाशं स्वतोमितेः. When I was little, my story I tell you. When I read this shloka, I remember when I was 18-year-old, I have completed 19th year, I went to Tiruvannamalai. I got a book called Who Am I in Telugu. Nenu Yavaru. In that book, I noted I used to read that book daily, number of times. In that one sentence, Nenu tochina sakalamu tochunu, Nenu anagina sarvamu nanagunu, and one sentence. Naan angar thought vandada ellame nenavu varum. Without I thought, nothing can come. This is the meaning of that sentence. When I thought comes, Nenu tochina, when I thought comes, Sakalamu tochunu, all other thoughts will come. This, that, he, she, it. Nenu anagina, this I thought subsides, goes away, Sarvamu nanagunu, all other thoughts will go away. This is the meaning of this sentence. When I was reading that sentence, I couldn't understand anything. At the age of 19, without Shastra study, how can I understand? But I want to know what is the meaning of this sentence. I was trying. I was breaking my head. What is this Nenu, Anna? Without Shastra, you cannot understand anyhow. So, when I am reading these shlokas, I remember my past experience, how just making statements never give knowledge. What I want to tell you, why I am telling that experience, without Guru, Shastra, just statements from some books will never give knowledge. I am the proof. That's why I am telling. I am the proof. 19th year. కొట్ట ఎడుతుల తెలుగులో నేను తోచిన సర్వము తోచును నేను అణగిన సర్వమును అణగును ఎన్నది ஒண்ணுமே புரியல. That is why I come to know no book can help us unless Guru unfolds the Shastra. Therefore we never accept the teachers. Kevala Brahmanishta Gurus are not Gurus. But unfortunately people are all enamored and not knowing that edo puro janma punya irunda we will come to Vedanta, otherwise out. Therefore never make just like that statements. Except systematic teaching. Other than systematic teaching, statements can never unfold the truth. It is like a parrot. Every day I am reading that statement. Ahamayam kuto bhavati chinmataha aipatatyaham nijavicharanam. Upadesasara, Ramana Maharshi says, Ahamayam kuto bhavati chinmataha aipatatyaham nijavicharanam ahaminasabhajahamaham taya. And the sentence today, Saram, they have put in one word. How can we understand just like that? Anyhow, aside point, leave out. Now he is telling this Vijnanam, what I am talking, I thought is momentary. I thought is momentary. Kshane kshane. Yataha, because kshane kshane janmanashau aham vrittehe mitau. Mitau means madhatu, to know. Past passive participle, second conjugation, 2p, mati. Fourth conjugation also it is there, not for third conjugation, atmanepadina, mitau. Mitite, mimite, 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 mimate, mimite. In third conjugation, second conjugation also there. Here mitau means to know. Mitau, tapratyanta rupam here. Janma nashau, dvitiya vibhakti. Therefore mitau. Mitaha mitau, mite. So mitau is the divachanam. Because janma nasha, jewel. Mitau. No. We know kshane kshane janma nashau. What is janma and nasha? I thought arise, I thought goes. When I thought comes, then clip thought comes. Clip knowledge comes. I know the clip. Then what? I know the flower. I know him. I know her. I know this. I know this. This thought is momentary. Kshanam kshane, kshane kshanena. It is momentary. Vishesha jnanam. Every Vishesha Jnanam go away, new Vishesha Jnanam comes. Kshanam kshanam. That's what he says, Buddhist Yogachara philosopher says, when you are taking dip in Ganga water, first dip, what you have taken, the first dip water is not there in the second dip. And that water has gone, new water has come. So that Ganga is not there. You are thinking that Ganga, Godavari. No, that Ganga is not there. It is new Ganga. This is called Pravaha Nityatvam. You think it is permanent. Why? Because of Pravaha, you are not able to decipher it is a different water. It is a different water or not? Same water. The first dip, third dip, 10th dip also same water you are dipping. Each dip you are dipping in a new water. Yes or no? Correct then? It is called pravaham. In the pravaham, nityama irukra madri thondrathu unakku. Idu nityam illa. Idu pravaha nityatvam. Idu nityama in the water. It has gone already. So what? So what? In the I thought, when it knows clip, in the I thought dead and gone. Poch. Idu another I thought. What about mic? I thought, different I thought. In the I thought, vandachi, poch. Ayaram, gayaram. Flower thought, this is flower to come. You have to get what thought first? I thought. Then only flower thought. Why I thought, flower thought connection? Without I am, that vritti, first I should know I am conscious of. First I have to be conscious of myself, that is called I thought. I am conscious of myself is called I thought, aham vritti. And the aham vritti I am conscious of, after that only flower thought comes. Okay, flower thought gone. What about fan thought? To get fan thought again, I have to get I thought. Without I thought, fan thought cannot come. So I thought gone. So clip I thought gone. Flower I thought gone. Clip I thought comes and clip thought next. So clip gone. Now again I thought, flower thought. This is flower. Gone. Now I thought again fan. In the I is called kshanikam. Kshanikama illaya? That's what he says. Kshane kshane janmanashau. And the I thought, before getting this thought, this and all, every time I thought comes and dies. Janma nashau. Aham vrittehe. Janma nashau, don't take idam vritti. Clip gone, Swamini, flower gone, fan gone. He says, I thought itself. I thought itself gone. That's why aham vrittehe. Mitau yataha. Mitau means it is very well known. Vijnanam kshanikam tena. Tena means therefore. Therefore, vijnanam kshanikam bhavati. Tena means therefore, vijnanam kshanikam bhavati. Kshanika vijnanam eva. Full stop. Then I'll ask you, how do you know the same person is knowing the clip? First I thought came, then clip thought came. This is clip. Am I reaching you? Okay? I thought, clip thought. Then another I thought, this is flower. I am conscious of flower. Vijnanam. I thought, that thought is called Vijnanam. Here, consciousness. I thought I am conscious of. I am conscious of. I am. Then what? This is a clip. This is a clip. This thought. Then what? Again I thought this is a flower. Again I thought this is a fan. So every time I thought comes, we are asking, if this I thought gone, another I thought comes, who is knowing this? Who is knowing this I thought, that I alone is this I? What is that? Proof. In the I thought knower of the clip, this thought, and I thought another knower of the flower, another I thought and this, who knows this I thought? In the first thought, I thought dead. Second I thought came. Second I thought on the third, first I thought gone. Third I thought came, second I thought gone. என்ன க்ஷணம் க்ஷணம் ஒரே ஒரு க்ஷணம் தான் இருக்கும். அப்போ என்ன, every க்ஷணம் I am dying. I thought dies and comes. Then we suppose you ask, how do we know the same I thought, same person knowing? How do you know now? Who is illumining this I thought? This same first I thought knowing the clip. Same I alone knowing the flower or different I? No, different. என்ன இது போச்சு இல்லையோ பாவம், அப்படியே டெத் ஆனிவர்சரி ஆயிடுது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஐ தாட்டுக்கு டெத் ஆனிவர்சரி, செகண்ட் ஐ தாட் வந்த உடனே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஐ தாட் டெத் ஆனிவர்சரி, தேர்ட் ஐ தாட் வந்த உடனே செகண்ட் ஐக்கு டெத் ஆனிவர்சரி. டெத் ஆனிவர்சரி தெரியுறதோ? ஹவு டு யூ நோ அபவுட் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஐ தாட் வென் த செகண்ட் தேர்ட் ஐ தாட் வரும்போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஐ தாட் டெட்னோ? ஹவு டு யூ நோ? ஹூ டாக்ஸ் அபவுட் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஐ தாட்? How the second I thought knows the first I thought? இருந்தால் தானே தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு. கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம்தான் புரிஞ்சுக்கிறது. பாருங்க, second I thought has come. I thought is kshanikam. When second I thought comes, first I thought gone. Who is talking about the first I thought? The second I thought is talking. How do the second I thought can talk about the first I thought? How do the second I thought can talk about the first I thought? என்ன இல்லையே, க்ஷணம் போச்சு. How the second I thought can know the first I thought? Second I thought goes and third I thought comes. How the third I thought can talk about the second I thought? How do the third I thought knows the second and first? அது பேசுறதுக்கு, for example, I used to give an example. When you stand in the railway station, when can you talk about the train? 8 o'clock train has come, 10 o'clock train has come, 11 o'clock train has come. How do you know? You must be there at 8 o'clock also. You are talking about the 10 o'clock train, 8 o'clock train you are talking means you, the same person, are dead. A 10 o'clock train, who is talking? And about 8 o'clock train, this is 10 o'clock train, I saw the 8 o'clock train. Dead person can remember the 8 o'clock train or live person at the 8 o'clock? 8 o'clock he must be there and he saw the train. That person alone talking about the 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock? Suppose 10 o'clock, the person who knows the train, he might have dead, suppose. And avanu kshanikam, even kshanikam. Appo, on the 11 o'clock, when you are standing, new person, suppose, can he talk about the 10 o'clock train? That means first 8 o'clock train, 10 o'clock train, 11 o'clock train must be seen by the same person, then only you can talk about that. Therefore, how can you talk about first thought, second thought, third thought? If you are continuously not there, you cannot talk. அவனு சொல்கிறான், இல்லை கண்டினியூஸ்லாம் இல்லாட்டாலும் கூட தெரியும். அது பிரவாக நித்தியத்துவம். பிரவாக நித்தியத்துவம். பிகாஸ் கண்டினியூஸ்லி இருக்கிற மாதிரி தோணும். அந்த ஐ தாட் இல்லை, இந்த ஐ தாட்னு சொல்கிறான் விஜ்ஞானாத்மா. ஓகே, அவனு ஃபால்ஸ் ப்ரெசன்டேஷன் புரிஞ்சுக்கிறது நம்ம கஷ்டம். அதுதான் மெயின் திங். ஸோ சர்வம் சம்சார ஏதஸ்ய. See now, அயம் ஜீவஹா. படித்தோமோ 73? படிக்கல. ஓ நோ. செகண்ட் லைன் ஆஃப் 72 செகண்ட் லைன். ஸ்வப்ரகாஷம் ஸ்வதஹா மிதேஹே. What he says, this I thought is self-luminous. It is self-evident. Swaprakasham. Swataha mitehe swaprakasham. This I thought is self-luminous. It knows itself. The self, I thought, knows itself. I am different person now. 10 minutes before I am different. That person dead and gone. 10 minutes before. இங்கே தான் பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஏன்னா ஐ தாட் போச்சு இல்லையோ. ஸோ again I am a new person. Suppose at 11:45 I do not know because I am dead. 11:45 I dead. Okay. How do I know 11:45 what I have spoken? How do I know? Now I thought is different. 11:45 I thought is different. That means I should not remember that. What is the evidence for this? I am self-evident. Self-evident. Swaprakash. For that he gives further example. Example, இதுதான் காரணம். விஜ்ஞானமய கோஷோயம் ஜீவ இத்யாகமா ஜகுஹு சர்வ சம்சார ஏதஸ்ய ஜன்மநாசா சுகாதிகஹ. This person who is getting I thought and this thought, even the jivaha, This Vijnanamaya Kosha is Jivaha. I am Jivaha. Vijnanamaya Kosha. Vijnanamaya Kosha. I am Jivaha ityuchyate. Iti. Who says? Agamaha. Agama Jaguhu. Taittiriya Upanishad says. Anyontratma Vijnanamayaha. Atma cholli achilliyo. Enna vere doubt unnaku. Jaguhu. Jaguhu already I tell. Gai dhatu. This Jivatma alone is Sarva Samsaraha etasya. In the Jivatma nakada ella samsaram problem. What problem? Samsaram. Janma, Nasha, Sukha, Dukkha. For this Jivatma alone, I thought, I am. That I thought varadilliyo. Adikida Jannanam, Maranam, Sukha, Dukkha. This is Yogachara Matam. And Shunyavadi comes later. He refutes Yogachara. Let us see how Shunyavadi refute the Yogachara. Both of them are Buddhist. Buddha Sishyan da rendu perume tails ondachu rendu tail from Buddhism. Shunyavadi argues. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.